Welcome back to Cruzermans Inventions, guys. Look at her. Isn't she cool? Hoo. We got one battery for the mag. We got 72 volts underneath the bottom tray. It's looking good. We got the new alternator in there. Big sprocket I made up for it. Go back inside, girl. Oh, she wants to come for a ride. She thinks she's coming for a ride. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, let's do it. It's looking cool, eh? The two lights. Looking pretty flash. Go back in, girl. Good girl. Go back in. Good girl. Awesome, guys. So let's turn it on. 12 volts to the mag this time instead of 24. And we got on the system, we got 75 volts. Okay, I just charged that up on my my cool looking charger. Okay. Let's. Oh boy. Let's hope nothing goes wrong, huh? Alright. Here goes nothing. Here goes, guys. Oh. Yeah, you can definitely tell with the one battery for the mag that it takes a little bit to get up and go with two batteries on the mag. Wow. Yeah, we're definitely doing over 50 Ks, doing close to about 60 Ks easily. Wow, I better slow up. That's pretty impressive. Woo. Not bad. Alright. Yeah, I just gave it a quick little charge on my charger. I'd already just been out for a quick little go on it just to make sure everything was okay. And I thought that chain was going to come Oh yeah, that is cool. We are getting down on the volts though. Yeah, I only just managed to give it a quick charge just to get this video done, guys, so I can show you so I can show you that the bike is all done. Got my red seat, got all my handlebars done, got the lights on, just got to get the back one on. Oh, it's awesome. And there's plenty of power in this alternator. There's a lot of power in there. It's just that I got to really charge up my other batteries that are on my generator, so I can boost and get some really good boost into these batteries. So pretty cool, guys. Woo. Awesome stuff. Well, it seems to be going pretty good. I just got to move that back wheel back a little bit because the chain is a little bit sloppy at the back, but apart from that, it seems to be going really good. I've kind of run out of an adjustment on that alternator. So this was kind of test one, just with the one mag battery running the mag. Very cool, very cool. Seems to have a lot of power. I don't know what the distance is, guys, on this because I haven't really charged it up fully to know what the distance is yet. This is just, oh, how many volts have we got? See, it still says 69.1. Yeah. So let's go over it a little bit. Is the alternator hot? No, it's only warmish. It can handle a lot more. It's not, it's lukewarm, just on warmish. So very cool there. And I can't even feel the batteries because they're really tucked away under here. Was getting down in power. We were dropping to about 40 something volts, but so that's the gearing I've got on there at the moment. It's BMX chain. You never really want to use anything smaller like mountain bike chain because it's thinner, and you really want the thickness of the sprocket to hold that chain on. Otherwise, it'll just keep rolling off. So yeah, guys, pretty cool. So there she glows. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. It's taken me a long time, guys, especially on this alternator. There was videos that I didn't even send out of the slideshow of how this thing was made. I might send that next, but I just don't think very many people will be interested on converting these. I don't know. There's already videos out on how to convert them, but I'll do the video and I'll see you anyway. So, but yeah, move that wheel back a little bit and take that slop out of the chain. Should be good as gold. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'm really wrapped with it. Seems to be going really good. Massive stuff. Wow. Cool, guys. I shall see yous in the next vid coming up. Awesome, guys. Thanks for watching. Cruiser Man out.